Children, in today's video we are going to learn how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what is this mixed fraction term? 1 is written as whole number and this one is written as numerator and 4 is written as denominator. So now this number we are going to convert into improper fraction, not with a traditional method but by the activity. So for that we require a sheet, any white sheet you can take, and you will fold one like this. You will cut with the help of scissor. So children, you can see I have took one whole strip, and in this strip I am going to show you the one complete part. You may color also, you may shade it like this. So I am shading. This represents the one whole part. So now what is this term over here? 1 by 4. You need to find out. For that I took another strip and I am going to fold it into two parts. Then you have to fold it in equal two parts. Then I will fold it one more time. Now when you will open it, you will find four parts, four equal parts. So it is there. I am going to show you here the four parts. 1, 2, 3 and lastly 4. So for this it is suggesting you to shade one part out of 4. Now I am going to shade one part out of 4. So this is our 1/4 and this is our one whole number and one as a shaded part out of 4. So what is the improper fraction of it? If you will look closely, you will find this as 1 and this as 1 by 4. So you can also tell 1 as the complete one, and now this one represents the whole part and 1 by 4. Now we are going to convert it. See how? 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4. So now 1 multiplied by 4 will give you 4 plus 1. You may also call it as 5 by 4, isn't it? So I am going to show you how we have got 5 by 4. This is the one whole part, and now if you are going to convert it, you have to divide into 4 equal parts. In the same way, now I am going to show the block how we have divided. Just make it 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded part over there and 1 here. So total we have got 5. You may also find here 5 and 4 part out of 4 part. So we can say 5 by 4 is the improper fraction, where this is your numerator and this is your denominator. Improper fraction always hold the numerator greater value and denominator as less. Okay, so you may convert any number by using this strip method. Okay, find the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say 5 upon 4 out of this 4 part. Now children, there is a homework for you. you're going to use the strip method, this activity, to perform this operation. I'm going to show you what you have to do. So can you try this number? Can you try to convert into improper fraction? Improper fraction. The number is 2 as whole number and 1/3 part is shaded. So you have to convert it, show the answer, and show by this activity method also. Okay, thank you.